There it is, creamy pumpkin sage pasta. Autumn in a bowl, and yes, it tastes even better than it looks. Right, let's get started. Bit of chopping therapy first, onion, garlic, and just a few sage leaves. Now, pro tip, don't stress about perfect knife skills. We're not auditioning for MasterChef here. Just make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. Now, olive oil in a hot pan, followed by a knob of butter. Once it's hot, let's get these onions going in. Let them soften until they smell sweet and start to turn golden brown. That's your base of flavour right there. Now the garlic joins the party just for a minute and don't let it burn. Then the sage, dried or fresh, whatever you've got. This bit will make your kitchen smell absolutely amazing, like an expensive Italian restaurant. Pumpkin purée next. Give it a good stir so it soaks up all that garlicky, buttery goodness. And if you've never tried pumpkin in pasta, trust me, you've been missing out. Pour in your cream. Now double or coconut if you're dairy free. Stir it through and bring it to the boil. And watch that colour turn into pure golden silk. Now drop the heat and let it simmer down a touch. This is where the sauce thickens and dreams are made. If you're liking this already, make sure you hit that like button, as we're only halfway through this pure pumpkin perfection recipe. While it's bubbling away, let's get the pasta on. Now penne, rigatoni, tagliatelle, whatever's in the cupboard really. Cook it until it's al dente, but save a cup of that starchy water. That's liquid gold for the sauce. Drain the pasta and then straight into the pan with that pumpkin sauce. If it's looking a little bit thick, loosen it with a splash of that pasta water. Give it a toss or stir it if you don't fancy wearing it until every piece of that pasta is coated in that silky smooth sauce. Now, time to plate it up. Drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil and then absolutely bury it in parmesan. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can put some crispy sage on top because, I mean, why not? We're showing off a bit, eh? And there you go, creamy, cosy, and under $5 luxury. Now if you're feeling the pumpkin vibes, check out more of my awesome recipes, I've linked them below. Go on, you might as well join the pumpkin club.